Hey y'all, it's Kate with Follow My Leaf. I was not going to do a video today, obviously, but I just got a package I was not expecting at all in the mail. So I thought it was a good opportunity to unbox it with you and show you what happens when you make a mistake shipping. So a week and a half ago, I cut up my Japanese global pothos and shipped them out. And one lady was like, I work a 12-hour shift. I'm interested, but I want to see pics first. So I wrote down her name. I wrote everyone's name down, and I completely forgot about her while I sold to the other 3 people. So she was really mad, and like, I still had options for her, but they weren't as nice as the first ones, you know? So I totally made it up to her. I said, here's a 4-node cutting for super cheap with a root, already rooted. I was like, the new growth will look like you want it to look. So hang in there, it was super cheap. You know, the nodes on Etsy go for $100 each. You know, I was charging less than half of that. And for her, it was a good deal. So I was like, I'm sorry, even though, I mean, if you take 12 hours, I get that you're at work and I'm sorry, but sellers gotta sell too. So I still had something for her, and I was super nice about it. And I sent her a card and everything. But then I accidentally sent it to the wrong buyer. So she's in New York, he was in New Jersey, and I just messed him up when I pasted into pirate ship. So I was totally bummed. So I'm gonna open this now because the guy I sent it to, I didn't include, pirate ship will erase the apartment number. If you paste it in and then you select the drop down, it will erase the apartment number. And that's what happened with me. So you have to triple check your apartment numbers if you're using pirate ship. So I learned the hard lesson. So he got his plant later. He got a luxuriance anthurium. So he didn't expect this to be his at all. He didn't know me at the time. So he gave it to his landlord, and then he was super sweet and helped me try to track it down. So I'm gonna open it now. I was not expecting this because he tried to track it down. He said that the landlord didn't see it. Nobody saw it, and they were like, well, maybe they'll return it to sender. So it someone opened it, and they probably saw my sweet card, and they're like, oh shit. And then a live plant or a plant. So I'm just gonna open it now and see if it's alive at all. Okay. Somebody totally opened the card. Thank you for your planty purchase. I hope this roots quickly for you. Look at rooting for you. I send the cute stuff. Rooting for you. Oh my god, somebody totally opened this and then just shoved it back in there. And it is so green. Oh my god. It's totally still alive. Oh my god, it's totally still alive. It's warm as hell. Hi baby, I'm so sorry that you were in such a traumatic experience. It even has a growth point started. This was a fresh cut, okay? And it has a growth point started. So, okay, basically she wasn't that nice to me for the first mistake. I told you I was interested, so I sent her some pictures before her 12-hour shift. Here's what I have, and it would have been nice if she could have taken a break at some point to get back to me. But I sold the 3 nice options to other people by the time she got off her shift. So then she was kind of cranky, and I had to I'm really sorry, this is what I have. So when I sent her plant to the wrong person. It couldn't have been a worse mess up. Like, I felt really bad. Oh no, the moss is like warm. It's moist, but it's warm. So I refunded her money right away. I sent it right back to her. I said, I'm really sorry. And then I got downstairs and I cut her 2 free leaves, like a 2-node cutting with a root, because that's all I have left other than my mother cuttings. Like, now I'm regrowing mine. So I sent her a free plant with 2 nodes and 2 leaves with a card, like, I'm super sorry. I refunded all of her money. So, I mean, I felt awful, but you can only feel awful, you know, so much. So I was thinking, like, oh, should I send this back to her? No, I did enough. Like, I'm sorry I messed up. Okay, I am super sorry. And I've had a super great experiences lately shipping to everyone else. Everybody else has been floored, sending me updates, really, you know, so I just felt bad. Like, that was the one person I shouldn't have messed up. But I think I made it right. And oh, the roots are still moist and they're still alive. I thought that this was gone forever. Here's the Japanese global leaves. There's 4 leaves, and as they mature, they lose the yellow, I call it egg look. Like, new ones have this yellow, like an egg yolk in color in the middle, and they're really pretty. And then they kind of fade sometimes to the speckling. This poor little plant has been from Illinois to the East Coast and back again over, I want to say, 2 weeks. And it is still alive. Don't underestimate plants, people. It's also 85 degrees out right now, and this has been in my mailbox probably for 3 or 4 hours. So I am going to get her in some hydrogen peroxide water for a rehydrate. Poor little baby. Look at her. Good job. Oh my god. There's actually 2 growth points on this. There's one right here at the end of my pointer finger, and then there's one at the top. So you live, you learn, you know, and now I know. So now before I send things out, I like send a screenshot of pirate ship to my client, to my buyer, and I'm like, is this address correct? And now that won't happen again. Look, it's super fine. I don't know what to do. Keep it with the other ones, put it back. I'll put it back. I'll put it back with its friends. And I just kind of wonder what went through the person opening this head. Like, it probably sat on his desk for a while. Oh, I should probably open that and see if I can throw it out or not. So now it's like everything, every package gets plant stickers on the outside, plant stickers on the inside, so they would have known that it's a live plant. But the stickers didn't arrive in time for hers. Her first one. Her second shipment did get plant stickers, but she hasn't like confirmed that she got them or anything. She didn't say, you know, thanks for the freebies. She's just mad. So I'm sorry, Elizabeth. I apologize that happened to you, and I hope that you still have success with your other Japanese global cuttings. I bet if they do pop and they look cute, I bet she'll update me that they look cute. So, alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I have other videos coming and you won't want to miss them. Alright, have a great week, everybody. Take care and happy planting. Bye-bye.